Garland Hotel. Coming into our room. Oh, we got a nice little living room area. We got a nice set of bunk beds over here, the kids' room. We got the little sofa. Got the bed, king bed over here. Bathroom over here. It's got a nice little vanity area. Do your makeup. Got your sink. Shower. Nice big shower. Toilet. Extra stuff. Nice. Very nice. Balcony. Oh, we got a balcony too. Check it out. Hey, how you doing? Turn handle up, pull in, slide. It don't slide for me. It's kind of weird. Okay.
Oh.
Okay. A nice little balcony and view of the parking lot. Little chairs on the table. Very nice. Got a little microwave and a beverage cooler that already has some wine in it. Just like a little seating area. The mirror. You can put your shoes on in the morning. Or you can take them off in the evening. That is our room at the Garland Hotel.